2025 Kenworth Motorhome Bus, a fusion of innovation and luxury. Introduction. Kenworth, renowned for its robust heavy-duty trucks, ventures into the luxury motorhome market with the 2025 Motorhome Bus, combining decades of engineering excellence with cutting-edge technology. This vehicle redefines mobile living, targeting affluent travelers and commercial tour operators seeking durability, comfort, and sustainability. Exterior design. Aerodynamic efficiency, sleek contoured lines reduce drag, enhancing fuel efficiency. A bold grille nods to Kenworth's heritage, flanked by adaptive LED lighting and dynamic light strips. Advanced materials, carbon fiber and aluminum composites, ensure lightweight durability. Self-healing coatings protect against scratches. Adaptive features, retractable awnings, self-leveling jacks, and solar-paneled roofs. Up to 1,500 W output for energy harvesting. Expandable slide-outs increase living space when parked. Utility-ready. Reinforced chassis with towing capacity up to 15,000 pounds. All-terrain tires. And optional off-road packages with elevated ground clearance. Interior design. Modular luxury, configurable spaces with magnetic modular furniture. Dinettes convert to beds and motorized partitions create private zones. Smart home integration, voice-controlled AI. Kenworth Co-Pilot manages climate, lighting, and security. Electrochromic windows adjust tint, while AI-enabled glass offers virtual vistas. Sustainable materials, reclaimed wood, vegan leather, and recycled textiles paired with ambient LED lighting that mimics natural cycles. Amenities, full-sized kitchen with induction cooktops, smart fridges and a hydration system. Spa-inspired bathroom with water-saving fixtures and optional compact sauna. Future technology. Powertrain options, hybrid diesel-electric, 600 horsepower, 1,800 pound-foot torque, or all-electric, 400 kilowatt-hour battery, 350-mile range with DC fast charging, 80% in 45 minutes. Hydrogen fuel cell variant under development. Autonomous features, level 2 plus autonomy with lane keeping. Adaptive cruise and automated parking. Drone integration scouts routes via a roof-launched UAV. Energy management, vehicle to grid. V2G compatibility. Lithium batteries and AI-optimized energy use. Solar panels supplement up to 30% of power needs. Performance driving dynamics, air suspension with load leveling. Regenerative braking and all-wheel drive for stability. GVWR of 33,000 pounds ensures robust payload capacity. Efficiency, hybrid model achieves 14 miles per gallon. Electric variant offers 1.5 miles per kilowatt-hour. Sustainability initiatives. Ecosystems, greywater recycling, composting toilets and rainwater harvesting. Solar integration reduces grid dependence. Circular design, biodegradable materials and a chassis. Designed for 90% recyclability. Safety and security. 360-degree awareness, HD cameras, blind spot monitoring and collision avoidance. Biometric access, facial recognition enhances security.